Hey guys, it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me class rearranging my room because I'm going to be cleaning up my room and also rearranging my room. I've never really done one of these videos, so if you guys like this kind of video of me like cleaning my room and that stuff, leave a comment down below. Also, thumbs up this video so I know if you guys want more videos like this. Currently, I'm sitting by my door because all that way is my room and it is a mess. There's clothes, there's just a mess of stuff. So I'm pretty much in this video I'm going to be cleaning up my room, putting clothes away, rearranging my room because I'm going to redo my room, like setup and stuff. So I hope you guys like this kind of video. Before we hop in, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that big thumbs up, and yeah, let's hop right into the video. So this is what my room looks like before I start cleaning my room. I legit had all this clothes that's on the floor is dirty. This basket is clean, but I'm pretty much just going to pretty much clean my whole room. Also, I did get a new desk and it's not organized, so I have to like organize it in this video. And I have like my dresser that's all messy. I have my studio lights and all this stuff must be hanged up that I just have not done since I moved into this room. And look, my other tripod and look, my nightstands are so like not where they're supposed to be because I did paint my room. So yeah, they've been out of place since I did that, and that was like 2 months ago. And also my bed's a mess. I have my tripod on there because I just filmed the intro, so that's why that's there. This is a little Scentsy thing that my sister has. But yeah, my room is legit a mess. And also my closet is a mess. There is a hot tub in there, but my dad put that in there, so that's not really like my fault. But yeah, I'm pretty much just going to be cleaning my room. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up all of the dirty clothes on the floor and put them onto my bed. So now all my dirty clothes are on my bed, so now my floor is a little bit more clean. I can kind of like walk around, but pretty much all my dirty clothes are on my bed. So then now I'm going to go through my basket and fold all the clean clothes and put them away. So now my basket is empty, and now I'm just going to pretty much take all these clothes and put them into the laundry basket because these are all dirty, and I'm just going to wash them tonight. Now the blanket, there's all these. There's so much. And I'm usually pretty good with cleaning my room, but college is really stressful right now because I have so much homework, and literally when I get home I usually do homework, edit a video, maybe film a video, and that's pretty much it. And I think that is it. I just fell on this box. So now all the beautiful clothes are away. I have all these shoes on the floor, so now I'm just going to pretty much pick up my shoes and put them into the closet. There is a hot tub in here, so I kind of have to put them around, but I have so much shoes that need to be put away. And then grab these ones, put them in there. have that much shoes, but I have a lot. And now I have my hats that I'm going to put on top. And that's pretty much the floor right now. Pretty much everything is pretty much off the floor. So I just went downstairs and grabbed a trash can to put on my trash in because there is a lot of trash all over my room. So I'm going to go around my room and pick up the trash. So that's pretty much all the trash that's in my room. I'm pretty sure I got everything. I'm gonna go on the other side and grab the rest of the trash. And yeah. So I just moved all my stuff off of my bed because I'm going to be moving my mattress. But first, I need to move before I move the mattress, I need to move my nightstand, my mirror, the heater. Just move stuff out the way so I can put the mattress over here or in the hallway. So pretty much I'm going to move this over here and then move the mattress over here. So this is what I have so far. I have the mattress over there. I have a box spring, and pretty much everything's in that corner and that way. So this bed is going to go on this wall. So now I just have to pretty much move the bed. Also, I had a lot of stuff under my bed because my dog likes to chew something there. So I just grabbed the trash can and clean up. But I'm gonna go back in with like a rug cleaner after I move it. So now I'm just going to move my bed. So you guys just saw that I just moved my bed all by myself. I'm so out of breath, honestly. So now I kind of have to put like a nightstand right here, and then I'm going to move my dresser over here. I kind of wanted to move my desk, but see how my walls are like at an angle? It won't fit on this wall, so that's kind of a little bit sad, so it has to stay there. But I'm going to move my dresser over here, and it's going to be a lot more room, so then I can kind of like have more room to film and stuff. But now I'm going to kind of like fix all this, move the dresser to right there, and then slowly move my dresser over here. So before I move my stuff, I just got the vacuum. I know it said I was going to move my stuff, but I'm going to vacuum first. So now I'm going to start moving my dresser. So I just moved the little gray thing that was over here. My other nightstand right here, and now I'm just going to make my bed. I have all my comforters there, so I'm just going to make my bed. So now I'm going to organize my desk now, and also I have my nail polishes that I'm probably going to put here or here, and then also I have all my like deodorant, perfume, and lotion, and a little bit of my drawer. I was gonna try to put my drawer up there, but it won't fit. But I'm probably gonna put like my perfumes and lotion here. But I'm probably just going to do pretty much a time lapse. I'm also going to go through my makeup because I just bought one of these on my desk and try to put the other one like in its drawers. The tiny drawer, and then I have a big drawer. And then I also have a pull-out desk little thing that has my keyboard and medicine that my dad just set up a couple of minutes ago. But I'm pretty much just going to reorganize all this. So my camera is about to die, so I'm going to organize my desk off camera. So then once my camera is charged, I'll show you guys what I have done. Then we can finish up everything and hang up posters and pictures, so I'll be right back. So I'm pretty much done organizing my desk. This is what it looks like after. So in here I have like everyday kind of stuff, like hand sanitizer and hair ties. This is just like random crap, and also like camera stuff, my makeup. This goes up here, and then I have my diploma, which I'm kind of covering up a little bit, and then like makeup palettes, like YouTube and like school stuff, lotions, a trophy, jewelry that actually has like jewelry stuff up there, nail polishes, my little like display, and yeah, I have my little cup thing from soccer, makeup brushes, light, laptop, and I have tape. So now what I'm going to do is I have all these pictures and like award stuff that I got from like sports and stuff, and I also have like some Sooner things. I have more Sooner stuff, but I don't know where the rest of it is, so I'm pretty much going to hang it up on this wall right here. So I'm just going to do a time lapse of that. So I just finished all of my pictures, but this is like an overview of all the pictures I have. My little nephew up here, and I also have pictures of me, and like when I was little, and like prom, and like me and Caitlin, and me and Taylor, and then I have like all my school stuff. And then I have that down there because I was going to hang it up, but there's really nowhere to put it. And then I have my other poster right there from lacrosse, but it's all chewed up. I was going to put it up, but I haven't. But yeah, that's just a close-up of the pictures that I just did. So I'm about to show you guys the final result. So this is what my room looks like, and it's so cool. So I have my desk there to show you guys, my dresser here, I put that little thing there, all my pictures. I still need to hang this one up, but I have like my school things, and then like pictures and stuff that I showed you guys. I have my bed here, I have blankets here, I have pencil case and numbers on my bed because I'm going to put those downstairs. My studio lights are still here because I really don't know where else to put them. I have my baby blanket there, phone charger, my nightstand is here because I don't know where else to put it. And then I have my mirror, and then I have like that I'm probably going to put over there. And then over here, I have my lacrosse sticks app, and then I have another one that has like my keys and a purse. But I do have another lacrosse stick that's going to go right there, but it's in my car right now, so that's why that's there. And then I also have my charger that I'm going to take downstairs. My tripod's here, dirty clothes, like summer clothes, and like Halloween stuff is in there. That's about to go in the bathroom. And yeah, and I also have shelves there that I didn't use because I have that stuff, so I didn't have to use it. But this is just another overview of my room. It's actually clean. I actually have a lot of room to walk in. Also, I have a poster there that I'm not going to hang up because it's all chewed up for my dog. But yeah, that's pretty much my overview of my room. So I hope you guys like this video of me cleaning my room and also rearranging it. If you guys want more videos like this, like I said at the beginning, leave a comment down below telling me. But I hope you guys like this video. This literally took me about like 2 to 3 hours to rearrange and clean up my room. But I hope you guys like it, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.